From boxing to drug dealing, Kinahan Clan. You must have heard a number of stories on how a person went from being completely broke to extremely rich by dealing in drugs. However, there happens to be some news that claims that there is this Kinahan family who went from boxing to drug dealing, and their story has taken over the headlines completely. But what exactly is this story about? Who are the members of the Kinahan Clan? Why did they go from boxing to drug dealing? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we'll be talking about the Kinahan Clan and how they went from boxing to drug dealing. We will be diving deep into every aspect of the situation. So if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now, without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. As per the latest reports, the Kinahans have been accused of running a murderous criminal gang which is comparable to the Camorra in Italy or Las Zetas in Mexico. As the law catches up with them, it appears their ties to big match boxing could be their undoing. Daniel Kinahan used to be at the top of his game, living it up in a luxury apartment at the Palm Jumeirah resort in Dubai. The boxing-loving Irish gangster had just been named, checked 3 times by heavyweight champion Tyson Fury on a viral video clip. I'm just after getting off the phone with Daniel Kinahan. He just informed me that the biggest fight in British boxing history has just been agreed. A big shout out to Dan. He got this done, literally over the line. The 2-fight deal, Tyson Fury versus Anthony Joshua next year. Fury, one of the world's most famous boxers, says in the June 2020 video clip, "So big thank you, Dan, for getting this deal over the line. All the best, God bless you all, and see you soon. Peace out." To a number of sports fans viewing the clip, the name Daniel Kinahan may have meant little, but to those in the know, it was jaw-dropping evidence of how embedded the 44-year-old and the money he and his family had made running one of Europe's biggest drug cartels had become in the world of boxing. Less than 2 years later, Daniel Kinahan is being reported to be on the ropes, his charmed life in Dubai on the brink of collapse. There is no suggestion Fury is connected to any crime, but his name check of Kinahan in 2020 acted like a bad signal for international authorities to work together to go after the Kinahans, sparking a dramatic chain of events that ended with the Irishman's 2 fiefdoms, organized crime and boxing, colliding in a ball of flames. Icarus flew too close to the sun, said a serving US Drug Enforcement Administration (DEA) official who has tracked the Kinahans since 2017. Daniel flew directly into the sun, holding hands with Tyson Fury, the official who was not authorized to speak publicly, added. In an unprecedented move last month, the US Department of the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, alongside the police chiefs from Ireland and the UK National Crime Agency, announced a series of sanctions on the Kinahan organized crime group's 7 key members, including Daniel, his father Christy Sr., and brother Christy Jr., The Kinahans stand accused by the US government of running a murderous transnational drug and gun trafficking organization worth $1 billion, comparable to the Camorra in Italy, Las Zetas in Mexico, or the Yakuza in Japan. Clearly worried the gang was gaining too much legitimacy in the US due to its links with a host of professional fighters including heavyweight champion Fury and MTK Global, one of the most influential companies in the sport, formed by Daniel Kinahan in 2012, the US government offered up a reward of $5 million for information leading up to the disruption of the Kinahans or the arrest or conviction of its key members. The declaration of the war on the Kinahan gang included the freezing of US assets and businesses linked to the cartel and a European arrest warrant on murder charges for Daniel Kinahan's most trusted lieutenant, Sean McGovern. And that's it for today. Did you enjoy watching the video? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this while we keep working on making more such videos. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya.